What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix screen dimming in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on it and here you can check your brightness. If you turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then check your dark mode, and if you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then click on scheduled. Now here if you turn on your scheduled dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off these options, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.